Welcome to Custom Pool Pro's Customer Story. Hear about our customers' experience and what you can expect from us. How do you like your new pool?
Yeah, the pool's great. I mean, this was an idea that was intended to be a magnet for my grandkids to come, and it's worked. I mean, they're not here right now, but I can tell you since we built this, they've all been here, all 7 of them, and they love it. There's a couple inside waiting for this interview to finish so they can jump in the water.
What was your deciding factor for choosing Custom Pool Pros?
Tom was genuine when I was looking to find out who I was going to work with. I've spent my career in the construction industry, so I knew which questions to ask, and I knew which people were giving me answers they thought I wanted to hear versus the ones that were telling me the way the process was really going to go.
Yep.
So Tom struck me from the very first conversation as someone who was telling me what was really going to happen, how long it was really going to take, what it was really going to cost.
Mm-hmm.
And my experience with him was that he followed through on what he told me.
How long did it take to build your pool?
That's an interesting question. I think, signed the contract to build the pool in January, and my requirement was Memorial Day. This thing has got to have water in it.
Yeah.
And Tom delivered on that. So we've been enjoying it now for 3 or 4 months.
How was your experience when choosing options and materials for your new pool?
Look, I'm really happy with the quality of this project. The materials are top-notch. I had some unique requirements. I mean, this is a small little backyard, and the town wanted me to make sure I had a lot of permeable surface. So the pavers that Custom Pool Pros put in as part of this project were unique pavers, specifically to enable me to build the project the way I wanted to here. So that was unique. And the material that's used for the wall around the pool, Tom helped me through the process of looking at all sorts of different types of materials, their costs, their trade-offs, and we wound up with something that we're really happy with.
What experiences you've had with your family and friends since installing the pool?
Yeah, I mean, I'd say the highlight of the first couple of months we've had this pool was hosting my daughter's baby shower here. So we had a whole bunch of relatives here, all different ages, enjoying the backyard, but spending time in the pool as part of the day.
How was the quality of work?
Look, at the end of the day, we wanted a quality project. We're going to be here for a long time, and I'm really happy with the quality of the work. So any big project has its challenges along the way, and we had ours. But when it was all said and done, the craftsmanship and the materials and the design all exceed what we had hoped that they would be.
What's your favorite part of the pool?
For the look, I love the wall around the perimeter of the pool. It just sets it off nice in the corner of the backyard. But I like waterfalls too. They just create a little ambiance in the backyard, and the pool lighting is nice. Works well. Looks nice in the evening, and we had to design it a little bit differently. There's a custom shelf along the waterfall wall, which the adults sit in with a drink in their hands, and kids climb along all during the day. So that seems to have worked out pretty well.
How would you rate communication with Custom Pool Pros staff?
This was not a straightforward project. You can see it's a small backyard, and I had 8 different contractors here over a 4-month period, doing a cabana, doing a deck, doing a kitchen, doing the pool, landscaping. So communication was pretty important. And that was something that required just everyone working together in a collaborative fashion. The pool was the biggest part of the project and the one that took the longest. So during that process, we spent a lot of time talking about what needed to be done in what sequence and who was going to be responsible for what.
Since installing the pool, how do you feel about coming home and having access to it at all times?
Well, we're a block from the beach, and we spend more time here at the pool than we do on the beach.
Would you recommend Custom Pool Pros?
Tom delivered what he said he would deliver.
Okay.
And that was a high quality project on the schedule that I asked him to deliver. So on that basis, yeah, sure, I would recommend it.
At Custom Pool Pros, our mission is to transform your backyard into a personal oasis through exceptional craftsmanship, transparent communication, and unwavering reliability. We pride ourselves on using only the highest quality materials, paired with skilled artistry and an expedient work ethic to deliver stunning swimming pools that stand the test of time. From the first consultation to the final touch, we ensure a smooth, surprise-free process rooted in trust and clear communication. Let us bring your vision to life with a seamless experience that exceeds your expectations. Contact us today to begin a smooth journey to your dream backyard.